Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about Cash App. Specifically, let's talk about that frustrating moment when your money is stuck in limbo and you're wondering, how do I get Cash App to release my money? I know, it's a total buzzkill. We've all been there. So, you've got cash in your Cash App, but it's like the app has developed a sudden case of amnesia. It's forgotten you exist, and your money is just chilling there, inaccessible. Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of people deal with this issue every day. But the good news is, there are steps you can take to get your money unstuck. Let's break it down. Understanding Cash App holds. First things first, let's talk about why Cash App might hold your money. It's not always personal, I promise. Sometimes, it's a security measure. Cash App might be verifying your identity or checking for suspicious activity. Other times, it could be a glitch in the system, or maybe you accidentally violated one of Cash App's terms of service. How to check the hold status. So, your money is on hold. The first thing you want to do is figure out why. Cash App usually provides a reason for the hold. Look for any notifications or messages within the app. If you can't find anything, you can always reach out to Cash App support. Common reasons for holds and how to fix them. Now, let's talk about some common reasons for holds and what you can do about them. Identity verification. If Cash App is asking for ID, provide it promptly. The quicker you verify your identity, the quicker your hold will be lifted. Suspicious activity. If you see a message about suspicious activity, it's important to take it seriously. Change your password, enable two-factor authentication, and contact Cash App support immediately. Large or unusual transactions. If you've sent or received a large amount of money, or if your transaction history looks unusual, Cash App might put a hold on your account to prevent fraud. In this case, you might need to verify the transaction or provide additional information. Technical glitches. Sometimes, it's just a glitch. If you think that might be the case, try logging out of your Cash App and logging back in. If that doesn't work, contact Cash App support. Contacting Cash App support. If you've tried everything and your money is still on hold, it's time to contact Cash App support. Be patient, as wait times can be long. Clearly explain your issue and provide any necessary information. Keep a record of your conversation for your own records. Preventing future holds. To avoid future holds, consider these tips. Keep your account information up to date. Make sure your phone number, email, and address are correct. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Monitor your account activity. Regularly check your Cash App for any unusual activity. Be mindful of transaction limits. Cash App has limits on how much you can send and receive. Avoid going over these limits. Check your bank account. Sometimes, the money might have been sent to your bank account instead of being released from the hold. Be patient. Cash App holds can be frustrating, but it's important to stay calm and patient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.